Today I will discuss and explain our micro project topic with the help of our subject teacher. First of all, I will introduce my project topic. My project topic name is resistance spot welding. I will introduce myself. My name is Siddharth Savarkar. This is my project group members list that can help me in this micro project. And that project is guided by our subject teacher SB Sawan sir. Content of our micro project. First, introduction. The second one is aim of micro project. Third, literature review. Fourth, brief description. Fifth, actual procedure followed. And last one is skill development. Aim of micro project. First, to study application of resistance spot welding. Second, to collect information of the methods of spot welding. Third, to study advantages of resistance spot welding. I will introduce you the spot welding. Spot welding. Spot welding consists of joining two pieces by placing them between two electrodes and passing a heavy current through them for a very short duration. This causes the material just below the electrodes to heat up quickly due to inverting resistance to the flow of electric current. When the coolness temperature is reached, the current is switched off and the pressure is applied the two electrodes. The pressure is released when the spot welds cool off. The portion of the material just below the electrodes get pressure welded. The weld joint is usually in the form of round spot if the electrodes have circular tips. Hence the name is spot weld. In the figure you can see the spot welding machine. That spot welding operation is performed on it. Literature review is that references that can be used to make this project. First, the book of MPR author S.D. Kulkarni. Second, book of manufacturing process by Y.D. Mhatre. And that was a links that can be used for searching information in the Wikipedia organization of the spot welding. Brief description. Resistance spot welding is the joining of overlapping piece of metal by applying pressure and electrical current. These joints created by resistance spot welding from a button or fused nuggets. Resistance spot welds are found typically on flanges staged in a single row of consecutive welds. Vehicles manufacturing use resistance spot welding in the factory because they can be produce high quality welds at that very slow cost. In the diagram you can see the production of resistance spot welding. That beam-like structure is known as a electrode. That red dot is mentioned that there was spot of welding. That can be work on the AC power supply and the force can be applied by the tongue. The working steps of spot welding. Spot welding occurs in the three stages. First, electrodes seated in the weld's head are brought to the surfaces of the parts to be joined and the force is applied. The second, current is applied through the electrons to the workpiece to melt the material. Third, current is removed but electrodes remain in the place at to allow the material to cool and solidify. In the figure you can see the working steps of spot welding. First figure mentioned that the job is put into the machine. In the second one, job is attached and the electrodes can be applied pressure and on it and job between them. In the third one, process was start and the welding is started. In the next step, spot like a structure make on our job. It indicates that our job is complete. In the last one, job is processing in the cooling and then job is ready for our work. Then advantages of spot welding. Spot welding is quick and easy. Second, it saves production cost. No dangerous open flame. Fourth, multiple sheets joined together at the same time. No nodes to uses fluxes of a filter material. In the figure, you can see the advantages of the spot welding. Then application of spot welding. First, automobile outer body complete. In the first figure, you can see the automobile outer body, framing station, steel cabinets. Fourth one is car wheel. Fifth one, cans and the furnet. In the figure, you can see the framing station and the car wheels. Then actual procedure followed. This procedure can be followed by me and my group members. First, we select our project topic with the suggestion of our subject teacher. Second, we start searching about our micro project information. We read our ice cream manufacturing process book for collecting information about spot welding. And then we go to library and read the manufacturing process book of this scheme. Fifth, we start searching on the internet and YouTube to obtain more data about spot welding. We write all collected data in a rough. We write to collect material and preparation. When we have completed all the work, make our soft copy and flex and final it. Then we go to prepare a project report for a cyber and we get printout of our micro project report. In this slide, you can see the our soft copy of the flex that in this description and its diagram was indicated and the structure of spot welding and their structural diagram was indicated. Then skill development, teamwork, working with team members. There are team working ability is developed. Leadership development, working with group members, leadership skill is developed. Third, presentation skill development. We give the presentation of our micro project. Will our presentation skill is developed. Confidence increase in ourselves. Then thank you. Thanks to watching this video. Thanks.